Hello everyone, welcome to my regression analysis lecture series. Today we are going to solve a problem under regression analysis. Before that, let me recap the previous class. In the previous class, we studied simple problems on regression equation, regression lines, regression coefficients, and regression estimations. Hope you did the assignment problem also. Here's the problem number 2.8. Obtain the two regression equations by taking deviations from actual mean of x and y series. So, uh, like the previous problems on correlation, so we have two techniques here from the actual mean and the deviation from assumed mean. So, let me solve this problem under actual mean. So they have given x and y series a simple problem of 5 observations. So regression equations that you need to obtain. So calculation of regression equations. I hope you remember the formula for regression equation. The regression equation formula is y equals to y bar plus b by x into x minus x bar and x equals to x bar plus bxy into y minus y bar. Again, so for these formulas, y bar and x bar that we can calculate from this table. Along with that, we need to calculate byx and bxy. I hope you remember the two formulas to calculate this byx and bxy. The first formula byx that we can identify here. So byx equals to n into summation xy minus summation x into summation y divided by again n into summation x square minus summation x whole square. Again, the similar problem for bxy. So here we have taken x square as well as summation x whole square, and here we should take n into summation y square minus summation y whole square, and the first part is same in both the cases, n into summation xy minus summation x into summation y, again the same thing here. Again, I hope you remember another formula for b by x and bxy, that is r into standard deviation of x by standard deviation of y, or r into standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x. So we cannot apply these two formulas in this case. The reason is, so we need to find our standard deviation again. So it will be a bit lengthier process. So for that reason, so we apply these formulas rather than standard deviation formula. So it's a highly a, a, a bit lengthier process to find out standard deviation. So for that reason, instead of these two formulas of a standard deviation, we apply this formula in this solution. So you can observe here. So as far as regression coefficients, either b by x or bxy, we need to find out n into summation xy we need to find out, summation x and summation y we need to find out, and here summation x square we need to find out, and summation x whole square here. So summation x we need to find out. So as far as finding these things, that we have to prepare a table. So calculation of x, that means summation x, summation y, summation x square, summation y square, and summation xy. So for this, we need to prepare a table. So as in the correlation, so here also we are going to prepare a table to find all these parameters. So x minus x bar or a. So here we have taken actual mean. So I should consider x bar here. Then x square, y minus a or x bar, and y square, it's xy. So here I have considered the values of x series here and values of y series here, and I have taken the summation of x and summation y. So here we should find out the x bar as well as the y bar for the next column, x minus x bar. So x bar formula is summation x divided by n. So summation x is 30 divided by number of observations. So here they have given 5 observations, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And here summation y is 40 and number of observation is 5. So it is 8. So now we know the value of x bar now. It's 6 and y bar value is 8. Now x minus x bar 6 equals to x. So I can find out the values for this x variable. So here I'll consider x minus 6. 2 minus 6 minus 4. 4 minus 6 minus 2. 6 minus 6 0. 8 minus 6 2. 10 minus 6 4. And again here 5 minus 8. 7 minus 8. 9 minus 8. 8 minus 8 and 11 minus 8 is 3. So after this we need to fill x square and y square column. It's just the square values of this. So here 4 square is 16, 2 square is 4, 0 square, 2 square, 4 square. So the total or the summation of x square is 40. And here y, that is x already calculated, and the square of these values is y square. 3 square, 1 square, 1 square, 0 square, 3 into 3 is 9. The summation of y square is 20. So after this, the next task is to find out xy. We have calculated the x, that is x minus x bar, y minus y bar, x square x into x, y square y into y, and the last task is to find out x into y. So x values are here and y values are here. Now the x into y is here. So 4 into 3, 12, minus into minus plus. 2 into 1, 2, minus into minus plus. 0 into 1, 0, 2 into 0, 0, 4 into 3, 12. And the total of this is 26. And you should remember we have considered the actual mean. So x or dx value. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಯು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೂಡ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ಗಳು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೀತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಯು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಥವಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಸ್ y, either dx or dy or u and v, anything that represents it. So here we have considered the x bar and y bar actual mean. So as we have considered the actual mean and not the assumed mean, we will get the summation 0. Now actual means ಗಳನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದರ summation ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ 0 ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. If we consider assumed mean, so this total will be different. So we have find out now all the values here. Total of x, y, x square, y square and xy. So x summation here, y summation here, x square summation 40, y summation, y square summation 20, xy summation 26. So now let me apply the values to formula. So we know the equation y equals to y bar plus b by x into x minus x bar, and x equals to x bar plus bxy into y minus y bar. So of course, in order to apply the values to these formulas, the first thing we need to apply the values to b by x and bxy, that is regression coefficient. So let me apply the values to these b by x and bxy formula first. So the first is n. The n value is 5. summation xy from the table it's 26, summation x that is dx second column 0, summation y dy it's 0 again, divided by again n that is 5, summation x squared the third column that is 40 minus summation x or dx total it's 0 square. Let me simplify this. 5 into 26 that is 130 minus 0 into 0 0 whole divided by 5 into 40 is 200, 0 into 0 is 0. So then 130 minus 0 is 130 divided by 200. So byx value is 0.65 and byx case 5 again summation xy 26 minus 0 into 0. So which is as same as the byx. 5 into 26 minus 0 into 0. Same thing appears here. Whole divided by 5 into summation y square. So we have find out in the table summation y square is 20 minus summation y that is 0 or summation dy that is 0. Now 26 into 5 130, 0 into 0 0. 5 into 20 is 100, 0 square is 0. Then bxy equals to 130 divided by 100, so it is 1.3. So now let me apply these byx and bxy values to regression equation. So here y equals to y bar, we have calculated its 8 plus byx value that is 0.65 into x as it is minus x bar 6. 8 plus 0.65 into x is 0.65x and 0.65 into minus 6 it's minus 3.9. So now we have two numbers. So plus 8 and minus 3.9. So we can simplify these two things. So y equals to 8 minus 3.9 it's 4.1 plus 0.65x as it is. So here x bar is bxy plus y minus y bar. So x bar is 6 plus bxy, that is we have find out here 1.3 into y as it is and y bar is 8. 6 plus 1.3 into y it's 1.3y and 1.3 into minus 8 it's a minus 10.41. X. So here we have two numbers plus 6 and minus 10.49. So 10.49 minus 6 it's 4.41. The bigger number is 10. So the symbol of bigger number 10 is minus. So I'll keep minus here. So minus 4.41 and 1.35 as it is. So now we have two regression equations. The first one y equals to 4.1 plus 0.65 x and another one here minus 4.41 plus 1.3 y. So hope you understood the preparation of table as well as the forming two regression equation. It's very simple. So just remember the two formulas as well as the steps in the preparation of table. So let me sum up the today's class. So here simple problems on regression equation we have studied and the steps are table preparation for x, x square, y square and xy. So x is x equals to x minus x bar and y equals to y minus y bar. X square, x into x and y square, y into y. And here x into y. So we have to take the summation of all these parameters and we have to apply this to formula. And regression coefficient. So as far as the regression equation, the formula is x equals to x bar plus bxy into y minus y bar. So here bxy values are considered regression coefficients and we need to find that. So as far as regression coefficient, we have two formulas, but here as far as the simplification, we should apply this formula. So we cannot apply the standard deviation formula, we have to apply this formula. N into summation xy minus summation x into summation y divided by n into summation x square minus summation x whole square. I hope you understood the simple problem on regression equations and our actual me. Thank you for watching. Take care and happy learning, and we can meet in the next class. Uh, and I'll bring you a complex problem under regression equation.